Pressure testing gas lines for leaks requires the right bubble leak detector, TUDIO. Use only purpose-made, anti-corrosive solutions to keep systems safe and code compliant. When testing natural gas or liquid petroleum propane lines, choose a commercial bubble leak detector formulated for gas systems and anti-corrosive protection. These products, like Rector Seal or similar gas test fluids, are viscous enough to cling to fittings and contain corrosion inhibitors that protect brass, steel, and galvanized surfaces during repeated tests. Prepare the fitting surface by wiping away grease and dirt with a lint-free cloth and a mild solvent approved for gas system use. Never use solvents that leave residues or react with pipe coatings. Apply test pressure gradually to the system and stabilize it for the full hold time specified by the applicable code or manufacturer, then brush the detector solution liberally over joints, valves, and threaded connections, watching for steady bubble formation that indicates a leak versus a single pop from trapped air. For low-flow micro-leaks, use a telescoping applicator or small squeeze bottle to place the solution precisely into crevices. For larger fittings, a spray and brush technique helps coat the entire joint. After a positive indication, mark the spot, relieve pressure safely, and retighten or reseal using the correct thread sealant rated for gas service. Never use general-purpose plumbing tapes unless they are gas certified, then retest. Rinse the area with a neutral cleaner if the detector instructs, and inspect for corrosion or solvent attack before restoring service. Keep a non-sparking flashlight and intrinsically safe tools nearby, and always follow ventilation and leak response protocols if any leak is detected. Document pressure, hold time, product batch, and tester name in the job record for compliance and warranty traceability. One of the top 3 mistakes is using household soap, dish detergent, or soapy water as a bubble leak detector, which can cause misleading foam, strip protective coatings, and leave residues that promote corrosion. Fix this by switching to a listed anti-corrosive gas test solution and following manufacturer dilution and application instructions. One of the next common issues is using ammonia-based cleaners or solvents that react with brass or copper, producing stress corrosion or weakening joints. Fix this by purging with inert gas, cleaning with approved solvents, and using only materials vetted for gas systems. One of the other frequent errors is skimping on contact time and pressure hold procedures, producing false negatives. Fix this by applying the code required pressure, maintaining it for the full hold period, and performing both an initial and a follow-up test after any repair. BigHomeProjects.com lists verified products and local pros experienced in safe gas testing so homeowners can find trusted contractors who use approved anti-corrosive bubble solutions. The directory also helps contractors show their gas testing credentials and win work from homeowners seeking compliant professional pressure testing services.